Good morning, welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. So, in the last class actually we have discussed the periodicity and extreme values, and one problem is there that I will discuss later during this new chapter transformations itself only. So, first today we shall discuss transformations. So, for now joining Nagamani, Prasanna, next to Swati Singh, Sushila, Lavanya, Shravani, Praveen, Sushma. So, welcome to once again welcome to the SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. Next Tulsiram, Chandana, Vishwasudhakar, Mandeep Reddy, hi, Sai Kiran, Bhaktavachalam, Ashwini, Samad, Pranav, okay, Sneha, Anil Prasad. Still joining, Sanjay, good morning. Okay, Mandeep Reddy. I will remember regular viewers definitely. What about quarantine, sir? I don't have the idea. Ashwin, Lavanya. Okay. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Yes. Bilvika, I will discuss during this session only. Sivaram. Shravani. Okay, thank you one and all. Thank you. Yes, I had breakfast. Sanjay, yes, I have seen. Raju. Good morning. Uma. Please do video on permutations and combinations. Okay, that's very important. I will do it definitely. So, Malreddy Lavanya, ee roju evening derivatives now please. Yes, derivatives. Ashwini, explain about trigonometry. That's trigonometry I have been discussing. Kalyan Teja, Anil Prasad. Which chapter is this? Yes, I will discuss transformations. Today's chapter is transformations. Thank you one and all. Thank you. Transformations. So, this is today's chapter. Okay. Yes. Thank you one and all. So, in transformations first we shall, the key points we shall discuss, that means concepts we shall discuss. So, let us have a discussion on concepts. So, now the first concept we have 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B equals to sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. So, now the second one, Second one, 2 cos A sin B. 2 cos A sin B equals to sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. Eamcet date I will inform you later whenever I will get it. Please concentrate on the topic. Okay. Third one, next 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B equals to cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B. So, next fourth one, 2 sin A sin B. 2 sin A sin B equals to cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. This is plus. Okay. Now, 2 sin A cos B equals to sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. 2 cos A sin B equals to sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B. Next, 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B. 2 sin A sin B equals to cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So, when will you use this formula? So, when actually if you want to change product into sum or difference, you need to use this formula. So, when should you use means, see, you remember like this, to convert product into sum or difference. At this case, you need to use all these formulae, Yes, Tulasiram, this has been completed. Still any problems are there that may be discussed in even maxima and minima chapter also, even in between, even transformations also I will discuss leftover problems. So, I will keeping you. Okay. So, now just some technical problem there, I will call my technical person. Siva, come. Okay, now next concept. See, that is sin C plus sin D, sin C plus sin D. Sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin of C plus D by 2 and next cos of C minus D by 2. Okay. Second one, sin C minus sin D equals to, now the interchange, cos here, sin here. So, we can write 2 cos of C plus D by 2 and next sin of C minus D by 2. So, next third one is cos C plus cos D. Cos C plus cos D is equal to, both are cos's only, cos C plus D by 2, cos c minus d by 2. Okay. Now, the fourth one, how many problems we are going to discuss, sir? Okay, yes. Vishwas Subhakar, once again just you type it, I am not able to get it. Now, the fourth one, cos c minus cos d, this should be very careful. This is minus 2 sin of c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2, or we can remember 2 sin c plus d by 2 and sin d minus c by 2, d minus c by 2. So, this is so important, need to be concentrated. And one more thing, when to convert sum or difference, sum or difference as a product of functions, that means now we need to apply these concepts. Sai, that will be coming, I think. Okay, right. So, now already discussed how to convert product into the sum and difference, and how to convert sum difference as a product. So, we need to remember this one. How many questions are covered from periodicity and extreme values? I think all the models have been covered. Okay. Now, okay, good morning. Next, one more thing. So, next concept let us discuss, we have, that is very important concept. See, we have for example sin A plus sin B. Sin A plus sin B is equal to, am I correct? That is 2 sin of A plus B by 2 and cos of A minus B by 2. Am I correct? Using sin C plus sin D formula itself only. So, now cos A plus cos and next cos of A minus B by 2. Say this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now, apply equation 1 divided by equation 2. Let us see what do we get. That means sin A plus sin B upon cos A plus cos B equals to, if you divide this 1 by 2, what will happen means actually here. So, this gets cancelled, we have tan of A plus B by 2. That means, now we have been formulated, whenever sin A plus sin B by cos A plus cos B is there, we can remember sin of A plus B by 2. This is very important, while solving the problems we can make use of this one. So, this remember this one. So, this is important, need to be remembered. Okay. I will repeat once again. Sir, how many problems we will get periodicity and extreme in Eamcet exam? including maxima and minima, functions and period is chapter 3 or 4 marks. Okay, integration also, that will be included. Sin A plus sin B by cos A plus cos B is equal to tan of A plus B by 2. Please remember hereafter in this chapter. Okay, Madhurima. So now as we so let us discuss one more concept now. So one more concept let us discuss. So let sin A plus sin B equals to small a, and cos A plus cos B equals to small b. Then so first one, tan of A plus B by 2. Now directly we can write it. Everybody knows, I think so. Just come to this one. See, tan of A plus B by 2 is equal to sin A plus sin B by cos A plus cos B. Using this formula, what is your answer? Type it now. Very good, Madhurima. So this equals to, again for our sake I will write sin A plus sin B upon cos A plus cos B. So we can directly remember A by B. Very good, Madhurima. Venkat, Samir, Sushila, oh very fast. Nagalakshmi, Dasara Nagalakshmi Garu, please actually go through the playlist that will be available in our channel, YouTube channel. So already at least 5 or 6 chapters have been completed. You go through it. Yes, your name is Sushila. Okay, thank you. I don't have the idea because you are chatting with the IDs Kalyan Teja. So that I need to start. So okay, next question. So next second one is, let us go for sin of A plus B. See, the sin of A plus B is equal to, we can write here 2 tan of A plus B by 2. Am I correct? By 1 plus tan square of A plus B by 2. The being replaced tan of A plus B by 2 by AB, you get 2A by B and 1 plus A square by B square. So this can be simplified B square LCM, A square plus B square by B square, and you will be getting 2AB by A square plus B square. You need not remember, easily you can generate the formulae, you can formulate yourself, simple by remembering one concept. Similarly, you can generate cos of A plus B now. So let us generate cos of A plus B now. So third one, cos of A plus B. So we know that cos theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 2. This is 1 minus tan square of A plus B by 2. Even formulas will be revised here. So 1 plus tan square of A plus B by 2. So let the tan of A plus B by 2 value being replaced here. So we get 1 minus A square by B square upon 1 plus A square by B square. So B square minus A square by B square plus A square. Am I correct now? This is cos of A plus B. So in the similar manner, you can find out tan of A plus B also. You try yourself, tan of A plus B. So tan of A plus B is equal to, very simple also you can remember, fourth one, tan of A plus B is equal to, here simple, instead of this plus you will get minus, that is why you have 2AB by A square, B square minus A square, B square minus A square. That means whenever you remember sin A plus sin B is equal to A value given, cos A plus cos B is equal to B value given. So, let me repeat, the tan of A plus B by 2 equals to A by B. This sin of A plus B equals to 2AB by A plus B, 2AB by A square plus B square. Cos of A plus B is equal to B square minus A square by B square plus A square. Tan of A plus B is equal to 2AB by B square minus A square. Sai Durga Prasad, actually you may be new to your class, please be confined to the subject. Okay, this time you need to utilize it. Please don't put already, everybody knows, stay home, stay safe itself only. Exactly, Ramya Sri, what you said absolutely correct. That will be suitable to Mr. Sai Durga Prasad. Okay, thank you, Ramya. Yes, this concept will be covered in integrals also. Yes, it will be covered in integrals also, it will be useful, right. And one more important concept to be covered. Let A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees or in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC also okay. So, that means which formula wrong? Which formula wrong? Venkat Charan, you can repeat it. Okay, no problem, Sai Durga Prasad. Okay, ask your doubts at last. Thank you, better. Let A plus B plus C is equal to 180. We have sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C equals to, that is 4 sin A sin B sin C. 4 sin A sin B sin C. Okay, just okay, no problem. Just you remember this formula, just you need to remember this one, that's all. So, now at least 3 problems we can solve it with the help of this. How many questions are covered from periodicity and extreme values in Eamcet, sir? 36 questions I think so, Kana. Okay. Now, sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C is equal to 4 sin A sin B sin C. You need to remember this concept. If you remember this concept, actually you can remember these also. Very simple way you can remember. Sin 2A plus sin 2B minus sin 2C. So, tell me anybody. Ranjit, okay, Ranjit. What is your answer? Sin 2A plus sin 2B minus sin 2C. I will tell you. So, whenever minus is there, that remains, for example, minus sin 2C means sin C write down. That means this is a standard, you remember, sin A sin B sin C. So, minus sin 2C means here what is standard, that will be remains. Next sin B changes to cos sin B changes to cos B, sin A changes to cos A, and 4, that is all, that is answer. So, now I will give one problem, you try to do it. Sin 2A minus sin 2B plus sin 2C. Tell me what is our answer. So, now what is the clue I have given? Yes, it will be useful for everywhere. So, minus sin 2B means you keep sin B as it is. Now, the sin C we need to change cos C, sin A we need to change cos A, that is all, 4. Okay. Next, for example, the fourth question, minus sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. What is our answer? So, here minus sin 2A means actually here 4 that sin A remains as it is, sin B changes to cos B, sin C changes to cos C. So, this is very important concept you need to remember. So, this is standard result, this is standard. So, this we need to remember, rest of thing easily we can remember. Okay, thank you everybody. Okay, now I will move to next concept. Even by verification also we can solve the problems, regarding problems. Generally you can take like this, see, A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 60 degrees. Then you will verify the value of left hand side and options will be verified. Sometimes even 2 or 3 options may be satisfied, that is why somewhat problem with this one. So, better depend upon this one, this will be easy. Bharat Kumar, I think newly joined. First of all, please subscribe, all of you. Okay. Next concept. Okay, next important point we have. Let us move to, see, let A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, then first one, this is standard, cos A plus cos B, sorry, this is cos 2A, cos 2B plus cos 2C equals to -1 minus 4 cos A minus 4 cos A cos B cos C. So, this is okay, this is the actually standard result, you remember. Second one, for example, cos 2A plus cos 2B minus cos 2C is there. Then what is the answer? Anybody? Wonderful, cos 1 minus okay. So, that is Lavanya Garu, please check it once again. So, -1 minus 4 cos A cos B cos C, that is cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C. Am I correct now? Okay. Now, what is cos 2A plus cos 2B minus cos 2C? One thing you remember here, whenever here minus cos 2 is there, the cos C should be written as it is. That means actually here write down cos C as it is. Now, cos B changes to sin B, cos A changes to sin A, here -4, the -1 changes to +1, you remember like that. So, wait, I will check it now first of all, 1 minute I will check it. Okay, now you can check with the help of even this is actually, you can check like this also. put A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 60 here. So, now cos 120 minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2. This will be minus 3 by 2 left hand side. Right hand side minus 1 minus this is 4 into 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. This 4 cancel. This is minus 3 by 2. Yes, it is correct only, Lavanya. Right. So, now next third one, cos 2a minus cos 2b plus cos 2c. Now, everybody has to give your answer in the chat box. I will be waiting for your answers. Will you get it or not? So, what happens here? You know, cos b remains as it is. Am I correct now? So, what will you write here? Cos b sin c sin a minus 4 and 1. Okay. Now, fourth one, minus cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. This equals to, what do you get now? 1 minus 4 cos a sin b sin c. So, for example, in the case of a plus b plus c is equal to 90 degrees and a plus b plus c is equal to 270 degrees, even you need to remember in this way itself only, it will be better. Okay, this is my suggestion. So, now let us go for the next concept. Next concept is actually here we have once again let a plus b plus c equals to 180 degrees. Then sin a plus sin b plus sin c. Sin a plus sin b plus sin c is equal to 4 cos of a by 2 cos of b by 2 cos of c by 2. So, this you remember. Okay, now this is the first one. This is the actually leading we need to remember. Next, so now the second one, are you ready? Sin a plus sin b minus sin c. What's our answer? What's our answer? Okay, are you ready? So, now here actually it remains same. So, we can write 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 and cos c by 2. So, next sin a minus sin b plus sin c. This will be 4 sin a by 2 cos b by 2 sin c by 2. Okay, very good, everybody is following. Minus sin a plus sin b plus sin c. 4 cos a by 2 sin b by 2 and sin c by 2. Okay. So, you need to today generalize all these things by taking any video clarity is missing. Now, okay, it's correct, Praveen. Okay, 4 cos a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Wonderful, 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 Madhurima. Okay. Okay. So, next concept, let a plus b plus c equals to 180 degrees. Then the first one, cos a plus cos b plus cos c equal to 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. This need to be remembered. This is very, very important for properties of triangle also. Sir, which you discussed in trigonometry are enough to secure 2 marks in Eamcet trigonometry. Yes, okay. So, now the cos a plus cos b plus cos c is equal to 1 plus 4 sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 is very, very important for even properties of triangle. So, please do remember this one. This is very, very important. So, now the second one, cos a plus cos b minus cos c minus cos c. So, now you need to type in the chat box now. I will wait 2 or 3 seconds. Wonderful, Prasanna, wonderful, wonderful. Yes, you need to change plus 1 as minus 1. Okay, Manju. Today so many newcomers are there, new viewers are there. Please do subscribe. If you subscribe only, you will get the notifications. Okay. So, now this can be written minus 1. So, next we get plus only, 4 cos a by 2 cos b by 2. Here sin c by 2 remains as it is, that you need to remember. Next, third one, cos a minus cos b plus cos c. So, minus 1 plus 4 cos a by 2, your target is b angle, that remains same, sin b by 2 and cos c by 2. Next, fourth one, minus cos a plus cos b plus cos c. This is minus 1 plus target is a angle. So, that is 4 sin a by 2 only. And next, cos b by 2 cos c by 2. The simple technique we can remember it with the help of sync. Okay, Sai Venkat, I think you will be getting, there is a problem with your net, I think so. Everybody is getting okay? Right. Next, let A plus B plus C equals to 180 degrees, 180 degrees, then first one cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C. So, this equals to 1 minus 2 cos A cos B cos C. So, rest of the thing okay. Now, the second one cos square A plus cos square B minus cos square C. What is our answer? Hemant Sai, actually I will discuss later. Okay. Okay. Sin A sin B cos C. Okay. So, rest of the thing also you need to complete like this, you follow it. So, now you followed, I think so. Okay, shall I stop now, because I shall move to next concept. This will be what now you will be getting now here minus 1 minus 2 sin A sin B and cos C. Okay. So, now rest of the thing you need write down now. Cos square A minus cos square B plus cos square C, that you can write it, no problem. Think next cos square A minus, so plus cos square B plus cos square C equal to, you write down, complete yourself. Okay, now see one more important concept, let us discuss. If in triangle ABC cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C equals to 1, or sin square A plus sin square B plus sin square C equals to 2, then triangle ABC is a right angled triangle, a right angled triangle. So, you remember this condition. Okay, Pooja Patil, first you subscribe to channel and then go to the playlist. In the playlist you find out Eamcet 2020, they are available, all the videos are available. Okay. So, now one more concept you remember, in a triangle ABC, if A, B, C are in AP, that means angles are in AP, then see B is equal to, we know that A plus C by 2. So, that means here as we know A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So, a plus c equals to 180 minus b. So, b equals to, we get 180 minus b by 2. So, that means 2b is equal to 2b plus b is equal to 180. 3b is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, b is equal to 60 degrees. This we can remember. If angle A, angle B, angle C are in AP, then B is equal to 60 degrees. Okay. Okay, let us go for the problems now. Shall we discuss the problems? What's your doubt, Srinivasulu? What's your doubt, Srinivasulu? Just type it. Okay. Hamza Sultan. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So, now you need to practice this type of actually, and when you go through this transformation chapter, already I have given some hints to you. In such a manner, you prepare your own notes material. Yes, we shall move, Sushila, we shall move to the problems now only, problems. But today I will discuss only level 1 problems, do not worry, that is very easy problems, because we need to give lot of practice to the even for new learners also. Praveen, you will be getting shortly. So, today I will discuss only level 1 problems for your kind information, and tomorrow I shall switch over to the level 2, level 3, level 4 problems. So, actually for 2 days we will be taking one chapter. My intention is that I need to cover most of the models. So, that is my intention, that is why actually I am giving much emphasis on even concepts as well as the problems. Okay. Thank you. So, problems. First question. Cos 20 degrees, cos 40 degrees plus minus sin 5 degrees, sin 25 degrees equals to first option 0, second option root 3 plus 1 by 4, third option root 3 minus 1 by 2, fourth option root 3 minus 1 by 4. This is the question. How many problems we have, sir, in level 1? I do not have the idea, because I need to wait. Even I do not mention also, I will be discussing. Slowly the level will increase. Okay. See, let us have a plan. This cos 20, cos 40 minus sin 5 degrees, sin 25. So, they are as the product of the two functions. Now, we need to convert them as the sum. So, then we shall solve this problem now. Okay. So, now this we can write like this, half times half into 2 cos 40 cos 20 minus 2 sin 25 sin 5. Okay. This appears to be 2 cos A cos B 2 cos A cos B equals to cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B. Once again I will write. Next 2 sin A sin B equals to cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. This we need to remember now. So, this can be written half times this 2 cos 40 cos 20 can apply this formula now. We can write cos of A minus B, 40 minus 20 is 20 plus cos 40 plus 20 cos 60, okay, bracket, minus the 2 sin 5 sin 25 sin 5. So, that will be this formula. Okay, we can write cos of A minus B, that is 25 minus 5 is cos 20 and minus cos of 25 plus 5 cos 30. So, we should be very careful. Option may be 2 option. Okay. Answer does not matter now, is not it now? I need to simplify, otherwise we will make the mistake. So, brackets of cos 20 cos 60 is 1 by 2 minus cos 20 minus into minus plus root 3 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 20 cancel. So, we have now half multiplied by C2 is the LCM root 3 plus 1 by 2. Yes, you are correct, root 3 plus 1 by 4. Yes, second option is the right option. Thank you. Okay. Option 2, okay. Now, the second problem. Sin 21 degrees cos 9 degrees minus cos 84 degrees and we have cos 6 degrees equals to, okay. Now, the first option is 1 by 4, second option is 1 by 8, third option is 3 by 2, fourth option is 3 by 8. Okay. So, now sin 21 degrees into cos 9 minus, thank you, cos 84 cos into cos 6 degrees is equal to how much? So, now the product should be converted into the sum or difference. So, first actually this can be written half times 2 sin 21 degrees cos 9 degrees minus this is 2 cos 84 degrees and cos 6 degrees. So, let me repeat the formula, 2 sin A cos B. So, now this is sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. So, please concentrate on my solution, whether sometimes I may mistake, I may do the commit plus or minus mistakes. This is 2 cos A cos B, correct? This will be cos of A plus B, A minus B plus cos of A plus B. So remember these two formulae. So with the help of this one, now we can write half times. So now we need to simplify this one. This can be simplified with the help of this one. So this can be simplified with the help of this second formula. So now the sine of a plus b, 21 plus 9, 30 degrees. Sine of a minus b, sine of 21 minus 9, that is 12 degrees. And next we have minus, better put the bracket now. So minus of cos of a minus b, cos 84 minus 6. 84 minus 6 is how much? 8, 78. Am I correct? So this will be cos 78 degrees plus 84 plus 6. 84 plus 6. That is logic. 90 only directly, cos 90. So one more thing, remember, cos 78 degrees is equal to sin 12 degrees, because 90 minus 12 is sin 12. So now this can be simplified, half into sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus sin 12 and minus cos 78 is equal to sin 12 and minus cos 90 is 0. So sin 12 cancel, half into half is 1 by 4. Yes, you are correct. Number 1, you are number 1. Right. Madhurima, all movies, Prasanna, Samir, everybody today. Wonderful job you are doing. Thank you, one and all. Thank you. Now the third question, sin 9 degrees, cos 9 degrees, both are same, both angles are, upon sin 48 into sin 12 equals to, first option 0, second option 1, third option minus 1, fourth option is 2. So now the sin 9 degrees cos 9 degrees by sin 48 degrees sin 12 is equal to. So first let us write like this, multiply both numerator and denominators. Let us say given expression, multiply both numerator and denominator with 2, so that we can write this is 2 sin 9 degrees cos 9 degrees, and upon we have 2 sin 48 degrees and sin 12 degrees. Here we need to apply the two formulae. One formula is, we know 2 sin A cos A, already in compound angles, multiple submultiple angles we have discussed, this is sin 2A. Now the 2 sin A sin B equals to cos of A minus B cos of A plus B. Formulae are very important, they play vital role to solve the problems. That is why only, once again, though I explained in the concept part, once again, so I will give more emphasis on formulae rather than solving the problems. The 2 sin 9 cos 9, using this we can write sin 2 times 9 is sin 18 degrees upon. So now this can be done using this one, this can be simplified, cos of A minus B, 48 minus 12, that will be how much? You have 36, and minus cos of A plus B, that is cos 60. So, now once again I repeat the formula, sin 18 degrees is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4, cos 36 is equal to, very interesting, that equal to sin 54 root 5 plus 1 by 4. Again we need to remember these also, already we have done, but we need to remember. So, now this equals to root 5 minus 1 by 4, this will be root 5 plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. This is root 5 minus 1 by 4. Simplification, just observe, any mistake is there, you need to find out. Root 5 plus 1 and minus 2, am I correct? Okay, now this equals to root 5 minus 1 by 4 upon root 5 minus 1 by 4. Same, this gets cancelled, we have 1. Yes, second option. Oh, wonderful, 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 wonderful. Okay, thank you one and all, thank you today. Okay. Fourth problem, sin 47 degrees plus sin 61 degrees minus sin 11 minus sin 25 minus sin 25 equals to, this is the question. Ranjit, okay, thank you, hi. Srinivas Reddy, sir, Ecet exam may start from when? Sai Teja, I do not have the idea, okay, because I should not declare now. This is a live stream session, because I should not discuss. That should be decided by our respective governments. Okay. Sin 7 degrees, second option is cos 7 degrees, third option we have tan 7 degrees, fourth option we have sin 14 degrees. So, here we need to make a plan. So, what is the plan means? No problem, sir. Sai Teja, do not say sorry, because now we need to consider the problems, that is why I told you like that. You continue, no problem. Okay. So, now we need to group it, that is very important. That means 61 minus 11, you will be getting 1 minus 1 0. Better you group these two 1, you group these two one side. So, regrouping the terms takes place now here. Now, the given expression becomes like this after regrouping: sin 47 degrees minus sin 25 degrees, okay, one group, plus sin 61 degrees minus sin 11 degrees. Now, we need to make a plan. What is the plan? If you observe this one, this is in the form of sin c minus sin d, this is also sin c minus sin d. Now, we need to recall sin c minus sin d formula, that is see 2 cos of c plus d by 2 sin of c minus d by 2. Both the terms need to be applied this formula itself only. Now, this is equal to, this can be written 2 cos of 47 plus 25. 47 plus 25 is how much you have? 47 plus 25 is 72, correct? 72 by 2 is 36, and sine 47 minus 25 is 2 to 22, that will be sine 11 degrees, correct? Plus we have 61 minus 11, that will be how much? 50, but 50 by 2, the cos 25 degrees. This will be sine sorry, this will be cos 36 degrees, this will be sine 25. Okay. Now take 2 cos 36 common, we have sine 25 degrees plus sine 11. Again sin c plus sin d you need to apply, sin c plus sin d. What is sin c plus sin d? Equal to 2 sin of c plus d by 2 and cos c minus d by 2. Okay. With the help of this will be sin 25 and sin 11, this is a bracket. This is 2 cos 36 multiplied by 2 times 25 plus 11. What is 25 plus 11? 25 plus 11 is how much? 25 plus 11 is 36. That will be sine 18 degrees. Next 25 minus 11 is 14, that will be cos 7. We have 4 into, see the cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4, this will be root 5 minus 1 by 4. If you multiply you will be getting 5 plus 1 into root 5 plus 1 into root 5 minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4 by 16 this is, into we have cos 7, 16 by 16 1. So, cos 7 degrees is the answer. So, second option is the right option. Okay, let us wait for a while, we will do it. Okay, today everybody is very active. Okay. Fill day form. Okay. Right. Next question is fifth question. So, whenever you remember Ashwa Reddy, so whenever numericals we do not have any shortcuts. So, instead of actually besides any variables are there, at that time you can apply the shortcuts. Please do remember, for all the problems we cannot do with the help of the shortcut problem. That is the major problem. Generally we have the shortcuts, only some shortcuts are there. Even if you want the shortcuts, you can go through. I prepared at least 10 or 15 videos on absolutely shortcuts 3 years ago, till the inception of this channel, SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. So, you will find in SAKALAVIDYA, just type it, how to solve a problem in 30 seconds, you will be getting a lot of shortcuts. But all the time we cannot apply the shortcuts, please do remember. Okay, fifth one. There may be 2 or 3 problems, but it will be very useful for integration, differentiation and rest of the chapters. It is the backbone of all the problems, even for trigonometric equations also. Okay. Sine 70 degrees plus cos 40 upon cos 70 plus sin 40. Okay. First option 3, second option is minus root 3, third option 1 by root 3, fourth option is 1 by 2. So, all are numericals 70 degrees, 40 degrees, 70 degrees, 40 degrees. We cannot apply the shortcuts for this one. Okay. Now, Chandana, are you getting now? Okay, right. So, sin 70 degrees plus cos 40 by cos 70. So, we need to concentrate. Here plan, first let us change cos 40 degrees. This cos 40 degrees we can write cos of 90 degrees minus 50. Cos 90 minus theta sin theta, whose value is sin 50. Unless we change, we cannot find out. Sin 40. In the similar pattern, the sin 40 can be written as sin of 90 degrees minus 50, the whose value equal to cos 50 degrees. So, now the given expression becomes like this. Given expression is equal to sin 70 degrees plus sin 50. So, now upon this is cos 70 degrees plus cos 50. So that we can apply sin C plus sin D and cos C plus cos D simultaneously in order to solve this problem. So, let me give the formulae of sin C plus sin D. So, sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2, am I correct? And cos C minus D by 2. Next, cos C plus cos D equals to 2 cos of C plus D by 2 cos of C minus D by 2. So, this equal to now here 70, 50, 120, that is 2 sin 60 degrees, you will get it. 70 minus 50, 20, 20 by 2 is 10, that is cos 10 degrees. This we can write 2 cos 60 degrees and cos 10 degrees. This gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, tan 60. So, tan 60 degrees is equal to, we have root 3. This is not minus plus. So, second option. So, now we cannot use tan of a plus b by 2. So, tan of a plus b by 2 will be used, you remember, okay. Okay, tan of a plus b by 2 also we can use. Thank you, thank you. Tan of a plus b by 2 also we can use. Yes, directly this is actually in the form of sin a plus sin b by, very good, cos a plus cos b equal to tan of a plus b by 2, right. So, now the given expression becomes tan of 70 plus 50, 120, 60 root 3. Yes, this is second method. Second method. We can apply this shortcut also. Very good. Thank you for reminding me. Sixth question. A plus C is equal to 2B. Then cos C minus cos A upon sin A minus sin C. Okay. First option cot B, first option cot B, second option cot 2B, third option tan 2B, fourth option tan B. Okay. So, Ajay cannot tan of A plus B by 2. How can I apply tan of A plus B by 2 here? Sin A plus sin B by cos A plus cos B. Okay, right. So, next now A plus C equals to 2B, then cos C minus cos A by sin A minus sin C. So, now the plan cos C minus cos D we need to apply. I am writing directly now, already you might have got experienced all the formulae. So, voice is okay now, voice is okay, you need to chart, okay, voice okay, nobody, right. So, cos C minus cos D formula is 2 sin of C plus A by 2 and sin of reverse order. You need to take A minus C, cos of A minus C by 2 and divided by sin C minus D, 2 cos of A plus C by 2. This will be sin A minus C by 2. So, this gets cancelled, 2 gets cancelled, we have tan of A plus C by 2. Since A plus C is equal to 2B, so just in the place of this one 2B write down. So, we have tan B. So, fourth option is the right option. Now, the seventh question. Okay, seventh one, cos 12 degrees plus cos 84 degrees plus cos 132 degrees plus cos 156 degrees equals to first option 1 by 2, second option second option 1 by 4, third option minus 1 by 4, fourth option minus 1 by 2. This is the question. Okay. So, now we need to actually group it now. So, let us try the cos 84 and cos 156 one group and cos 12 and cos 132 as one group. So, now the given expression we can write like this after regrouping: cos 156 degrees plus cos 12, okay, plus cos 132 degrees plus cos 84 degrees. Now, we need to apply cos C plus cos D formula, cos C plus cos D in both the cases. 2 cos C plus D by 2 and cos C minus D by 2. Okay. So, this we can write so then we need to write 2 cos 156 plus 12, 168 divided by 2, 2 cos 84 degrees and 156 12 144. So, that will be cos actually 156 plus 8 168 minus 144. So, okay, that will be cos 72 plus this will be 132 plus 84 6 216, this will be 108, 2 cos 108, okay, 132 84, this will be 8 and 48. So, this will be cos 24. Am I correct calculation? Okay. Now, this see the cos 72 degrees is equal to sin 18 degrees. So, cos 108 degrees equals to minus sin 18 degrees. So, you remember this one. So, this we can write like this now. Two cos 84 degrees sin 18 degrees minus 2 sin 18 degrees and cos 24 degrees. Let us take 2 sin 18 degrees is common. So, we have cos 84 degrees minus cos 24. Once again you need to apply cos C minus cos D, okay, cos C minus cos D. So, this we can write 2 sin 18 degrees multiplied by all sines here we have. Here you will be getting minus 2 sin of this is C, this is D. So, 84 plus 24 is actually 108, that will be sin 54, and 84 minus 64 24 is 60 of that is sin 30. So, this sin 30 is 1 by 2, this 2 will gets cancelled. We have now minus 2 sin 18 degrees into sin 54. So, these two values are very, very important.
So, tell them to fill that form.
All of you fill that form. Once again you forward it, that one. So, this equal to minus 2 into root 5 minus 1 by 4 into root 5 plus 1 by 4. This equal to 2 times 5 minus 1 is 4 by 16. So, this will be minus, so minus 1 by 2. is the answer. So, fourth option. Okay. Wait for a while. Okay. So, now eighth question, cos 6 into cos 24 into cos 72 equals to first option minus 1 by 8, second option I have minus 1 by 4. So, third option here 1 by 8. Now, fourth option will be obviously 1 by 4 given positive taken. So, we need to find out. So, first let us simplify this one. This product we need to write as a difference or sum. So, you took wrong 132 and 12, 132 and 12. Okay, I will check it. Okay. Now, this cos 72 is sin 18. Okay, first you need to change this one, multiply and divide by 2. That will be the plan now, our plan. So, now the given expression is equal to half multiplied by this, we can write 2 cos 24 and cos 6 into cos 72. This cos 72 is equal to sin 18 degrees. Here we can write sin 18 degrees. Both have the same value. Okay, next, this is in the form of formula we have 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B equals to cos of A minus B plus cos of A plus B plus cos of A plus B. Okay. So, now half into this, we can write cos of A minus B, 26 minus 6 is 18, that is cos 18 degrees, okay, plus cos 30, into sin 18. So, this will be half into, we have sin 18 degrees into cos 18 degrees, okay, plus cos 30 into sin 18. So, again this we can write half into, so half into 2 sin 18 degrees cos 18 degrees, write down, plus cos 30 is root 3 by 2 into sin 18 degrees. Now, this can be simplified. Yes, problem is wrong, actually here sin 24 should be taken, absolutely correct, absolutely. Thank you for thank you. So, let us wait. Sin 24. Okay, now total plan will be changed now. thank you for reminding me. Yes, I have taken question wrong. Okay, sometimes it will happen like that also. Okay, thank you. This is correct, I think so. Let us see. Yes, you are correct. Right. Right. So now let us do it. Already the same plan has to be applied here also. The given expression we can write it as 1 by 2 into 2 sin 24 into cos 6 into this cos 72 is equal to sin 18 degrees. So let us write sin 18 degrees here. Okay, correct now? Okay. So we have the formula 2 sin A cos B. This equals to sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Please check it. Okay. So now this can be written half times sin of A plus B, adding these two. So sin 30 whose value is 1, okay, A minus B, that will be sin 18 degrees into sin 18 degrees. Am I correct now? This is half into sin 30 is half plus sin 18 degrees into sin 18 degrees. This can be written as 1 by 2 into brackets open 1 by 4 sin 18 plus 1 by 2 sin square 18 degrees. So am I correct now? So now we need to simplify it. Though sin 18 degrees is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. This is root 5 minus 1 by 4 into this one 16. Am I correct? Plus half into square. Let us square it now. Square is root 5 minus 1 whole square is 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 upon we have here 16. So LCM is 32, here 2 root 5 minus 2 plus 6 minus 2 root 5. 2 root 5 gets cancelled, 4 by 32 whose value is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 is the option. Yes, thank you one and all for reminding me. So, okay. So if the question is wrong, how could we get the answer? We cannot get the answer. Absolutely correct. Okay, now ninth problem. So let us go to the ninth problem now. Sin x plus sin y equals to 1 by 4 cos x plus cos y equals to 1 by 3. Then tan of x plus y by 2. I think everybody will get this answer now. You need to type it in the chat box. First option is 1 by 4, second option is 1 by 2, third option is 3 by 4, fourth option is minus 1 by 4. Okay, now this is actually Nagamahesh. sin x plus sin y is equal to 1 by 4 given, cos x plus cos y is equal to 1 by 3 given, and we need to find out this value. We have the shortcut. So, tan of x plus y by 2 is equal to sin x plus sin y upon cos x plus cos y. So, sin x plus sin y is equal to 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 3. So, 1 by 4 multiplied by reciprocal of 1 by 3, 3 by 1. So, whose answer is 3 by 4. So, third option. Okay, shall I have a water? Okay, now the 20th, sorry, question number is 10. Question number is 10. Sir, I am requesting you to extend evening class timings. Okay, I will see. Cos A plus cos B upon sin A minus sin B all to the power of 20 plus sin A plus sin B upon cos A minus cos B, cos A minus cos B all to the power of 20 is okay. 3 to 5 afternoon also. Okay. First option 2 cot all to the power of 2019 A plus B by 2. Second option will be 2 cot to the power of 2020 A minus B by 2, and third 2 cot 2019 A minus B by 2. Fourth option 2 cot 2020 A plus B by 2. This is the question. The same question may appear any year also. If it is appears in the next year, coming year, that is 2021, they will give. If it is given 2021, you need not do anything, answer will be 0. But here we need to check it out. So, first let us formulate it, because this is very important problem and standard problem. Yes, option 2 may be correct. Let us see, option 2 may be correct. So, let us have a discussion on this one first of all. See, first we shall have a discussion. Cos A plus cos B by sin A minus sin B power n. Instead of 2020, take power n, plus sin A plus sin b by cos a minus cos b whole to the power of n. Okay, let us formulate it first. So now if you have the more plenty of time, better you all the formulae need to be formulated easily, we can remember instead of by heading. So this is the technique actually. So now the cos a cos b we can write 2 cos of a plus b by 2, am I correct? And both are cos's only, cos of a minus b by 2 and upon, okay, this will be 2 cos of a plus b by 2 and this will be sin of a minus b by 2 and again raise it to n, am I correct? Plus we should be very patient while doing the problems. Nazir Ahmad, actually in the live stream I should not name out them because some restrictions are there, please do remember. Okay, in WhatsApp group I will share, first join in the WhatsApp group. So sin a plus sin b, that is 2 sin of a plus b by 2 and next we have this is cos of a minus b by 2 upon this will be minus 2 sin of a plus b by 2 and sin of a minus b by 2 and raise it to power n, this is minus power n. The 2 sin a plus b by 2, 2 sin a plus b by 2 gets cancelled in the bracket, 2 cos of a plus b by 2, 2 cos of a plus b by 2. This equal to cot of a minus b by 2 whole to the power of n, first term, plus here is very interesting, we have here minus sign, this will be minus cot of a minus b by 2 whole to the power of n. That means the value of this one depends upon the evenness and oddness of even n value. If n is even, we get here minus cot a minus b by 2 whole to the power of n is positive. If n is odd, that becomes negative, then both will be gets cancelled, you get 0. That means here two cases need to be discussed. So here for example you get two cases. For example, if n is even, n even, so you remember n. For example, n is odd, same thing, this say given expression, this given expression value becomes 2 cot to the power of n a minus b by 2 if n is even. Same given expression becomes 0 if n is odd. So that means actually here n value you need to substitute. What is the n value here? 20, 20. If you substitute n is equal to 20, 20 here, answer will be second option. Okay. Now the 11th question. If alpha plus beta is equal to gamma, then cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma minus 2 cos alpha cos beta okay okay, cos beta and cos gamma is first option 0, second option 2, third option 1, fourth option 3. This is the question. See, this is not in the form of a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. Sir, please take the evening class up to 9:30. Okay, take it into granted. Okay, WhatsApp number already link is given. Please click on the link. You will be getting in the chart. Please check it now. You need to fill the form so that you will join in the WhatsApp group. Okay, Mahesh. So now what is given here? Alpha plus beta is equal to, sorry, not minus gamma, only gamma. Then cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma and minus 2 cos alpha cos beta gamma. Just observe the options by observation. Take alpha is equal to 30, beta is equal to 30. What does gamma become? Gamma becomes 30 plus 30, 60. So now take the given expression. So this is the given expression. Now the given expression becomes cos square alpha, cos square 30. Cos square 30 means root 3 by 2, 3 by 4 plus cos square beta 3 by 4. This is 1 by 2 minus 2 cos alpha cos 30 root 3 by 2 cos beta root 3 by 2. This will be cos gamma 1 by 2. Yes, method of symmetry also you can do it. Okay. So this equals to 3 by 4 is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus this 2 gets cancelled. We have minus 3 by 2 is cancelled. We have half is the right answer. Where is the half? We don't have a half anywhere. Option 3 is 1. How could you get 1? Sorry, is correct. I did mistake here. I will check it once again. That's why only we need to take the cos 30 3 by 4 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 into cos 60 is 1 by 2, right? This equal to 3 by 4 6 by 4 is 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So minus this will be 3 by 4. Okay, LCM is 4, 6 plus 2 minus 3. 5 by 4 you are getting. So what happens 3 here? 1 by 4, not 1 by 2. Yes, wait. So I am doing the calculations errors here. Let us wait now. Let it be. So now here see the cos square gamma. Yes, gamma is equal to how much? 60 degrees. 1 by 4. Yes, correct. 1 by 4 this is. So now this will be 6 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. This is 4 LCM, 6 plus 1, 7 minus 3, 4 by 4. Yes, correct, 1. So third option. Yes. Okay. So now let us do one more problem. Okay. Okay, right. Next problem now. 12th problem. If a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees, then sin A plus sin B plus sin C sin B plus sin C upon cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. This is the question. First option 1, second option 2, third option 3, fourth option 4. So, which is the right option? This is the standard question. Okay, option is 4, that is correct. Option is 4. Once again I repeat it. Here we have this shortcut. A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Sin A plus sin B plus sin C equals to 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2. Now the given expression becomes, so instead of this sin A plus sin B plus sin C, we can replace this value. So 4 cos A by 2 cos B by 2 cos C by 2 having been divided by cos A by 2 cos B by 2 and cos C by 2. So this gets cancelled. We have the constant 4. The 4, that means fourth option is the right option. Okay, now so we shall meet you in the evening session. So thank you one and all. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay at home. Okay, thank you.